Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Tony and I'm the co-founder of the Hyatt Company. In today's video, we will be making candles. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be making 8 candles and I'm making these candles to add to the rest of them that's right here, simply because, well, one, I need to re-up for like our website, and 2, we're doing a farmer's market / pop-up shop, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just preparing those I'm just making candles in preparation for the farmers market. So right here, I just pre-measured it. So basically, I just want to give y'all like a little bit of details. I just wanted to quickly answer some questions I think that I will get, because I've gotten it in like some of my previous videos. In this video, I've used a 10-ounce jar that comfortably holds 9 ounces. The diameter of the jar is 3 inches. So when I went on Candle Science, they told me my wick size will be CD22. For some reason, I didn't see that when I first bought my wicks, so I got CD18 wicks, and they didn't work. Well, they worked, but it took a very long time to get to the size of the jar. But I went back and got some CD22 from, I don't know, if I remember the website, I'll link it down below. I use soy wax, and I use most of my fragrance oils, like probably except for one, are from the flaming candle. I don't check to see how hot it is. After I've stirred it, I just pour it right away. I heat my wax up to anywhere between 180 to 190, really closer to 190, just so that the wax and the oil combine perfectly together. And then when I stir, I know it cools down a lot. When I took the temperature after stirring it, it went down to like about 163. I know a lot of people ask me what is my pouring temp. I measured it just for y'all, but I don't measure it at all in like when I'm regularly making candles. So I think that's it that everybody would ask me. If you do have any more questions, you can ask them in the comments below, and I will answer you if I can to the best of my ability. So right here, I have the wax already cut up, and I'm gonna put it on the stove. So I'll show y'all that this is 4 candles per the pitcher. I did this simply because, I don't know, I feel like when I try to put all of it in one, it was like overflowing, and I didn't like that. And I wanted to be able to take my time and go about it like the right way. So I'll show y'all the process of me making a candle. Now I'm just about to put these on the stove, melt them, and by the time I'm finished cleaning my jars and wicking them, we'll be ready to mix in the fragrance oil. So let's head to the kitchen. Y'all, so while that is going, I just take the time to go ahead and clean out my jars. I did put the lids on, like for storing purposes. For when I put them over on the shelf, I just put the lids on, but I take them off obviously to clean the insides. I know a lot of people say this, but y'all, it's really true. Like when it's in the boxes, if it comes broken, it'll be little shards of glass in it, or just like debris from the boxes and all the packaging and stuff. So you do want to go ahead and clean your jars out, just so that it helps your wax stick better. And especially if you use soy wax, it doesn't need any extra help, like not adhering to the jar as well. So to clean it, I just use alcohol that I got from Target. You can get it anywhere. I try to get it like on a big surface of the paper, or of the paper towel, and just go in and just wipe around. And make sure you get the bottom, like where you'll put the wick and stuff. Alright, so next I go in with my wicks and wick stickers, and I just, of course, put them together and then add them into the jar. So I only need 8 wicks today. So I have my 8 wicks. Still wet. I know in my candle supplies haul video you seen I brought the wick setter, but y'all, for some reason it doesn't work on my jar, so in the end I really just ended up having to place the wicks myself. So was it a waste of money? I mean, not really if I get different size jars in the future. So be mindful of that too when you're buying, or well, if you want to go ahead and buy a wick setter, it doesn't fit all jars, even though it has like the little ridge. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's this thing right here, but because of the size of my jars, like it slips around, and it doesn't have a size for it. So as you can see, it doesn't hold it properly. Like it'll just keep going back and forth. So I just use my hands. Now that I've already wicked my jars, I just come over and test the temperature of the wick. I turned it down since I was wicking the jars. Okay, so right now it's at 189. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's dropping, but it was at 189. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. So I have my wax here heated up to about 185, and now I'm gonna go ahead and pour the fragrance oil in, and of course stir for 2 minutes. And now I have my wig holders. I got these off of Amazon. I can link them below I'll just link them below so y'all can check it out if y'all want them. And I just kind of push it to the side, hold it down so that it's bended, and then center it to the best of my ability. And that kind of keeps the wig as straight as possible. So like if I just went ahead and did this, it'll kind of move around still. So I like to hold it, bend it over here, and then center it. And then I'll just do the same process again with the second picture, and then I'm done making the candles. I'll let them sit for about a day before I go ahead and clip the wicks off, well, the excess of the wick off, and then I can put the lid on it and let it sit for 2 weeks. So after that, I'll list them as, or like a couple of days before that, I'll list them as available again on the site. Or if I'm doing like a pop-up shop again, I try to do it 2 weeks in advance so that it's cured for at least 2 weeks, so the hot throw is the best that it can be. Y'all, if it helps, I know a lot of people ask me what is my pouring temp. I don't measure it, but after I stirred everything and I measured it, it came up to 163. So my pouring temp is 163 in this case, and that's from getting the wax up to 189. Alright y'all, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like videos like these down in the comment section below. I will have another video talking more about the farmers market / pop-up shop that we'll be attending. That will be probably the video after this. So if you're interested in that, please don't forget to come back and watch that video. Don't forget to watch the other videos that are on our channel. I'll have one linked up in the cards above and one at the end of this video. And that's all for this video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.